Okay, so let's sketch these first. X plus y is equal to 3. So that's a line that passes through 3 and 3. Okay, so let me just draw a line through that. Okay, and this one here, this is an inverse of this picture. So a lot of you might be not comfortable with the y being squares. So consider y is equal to minus x minus 1 squared plus 4. So that's a parabola with the vertex located at 1, 1 and 4. So 1 and 4. Now this what we want to draw is the inverse of it. Okay, so this right here is, it starts there and it goes down. Okay, but what we want to draw is the inverse of it. So we're gonna, the point 1, 4 is gonna be instead at 4, 1. Okay, and it's gonna go down. So it's gonna go to the left. Okay, like this. So we're talking about this area here. Okay, that area right there being rotated on the x-axis. Okay, so let's say something like that. Okay, so there'll be a rotation down here. Okay, so we can do this by cylindrical method. Right, so we're gonna start. Here, let me draw a typical cylinder. So let's say like that, and like that. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, so the radius, you see is just going to be the y value. Okay, the y value of both of these coordinates, right? Just the y value. The height though, right? The height is, so this one, they both have, this coordinate will be something y. It's also something y. Right, so the x value is different. Let's call this x1 and it's called x2. So the height is x1, which is all the way from here to here, minus, right, x2, which is from here to here. So that's, do you say if you subtract the red off, sorry, blue off the red, you get the height. So the height is going to be x1 minus x2. Of course, you got to express this in terms of y. Okay, so the x1 is from the parabola. So we can, that right there is x1. So 4 minus y minus 1 squared. Okay, and x2 is the line. So it's this one right here. So you can replace it with 3 minus y. 3 minus y. So let's clean this up. This is a little bit too messy. Y squared minus 2y plus 1 minus 3 plus y. Right, so you get 4 minus y squared plus 2y minus 1 minus 3 plus y. So minus y squared. Combine those two, you get 3y. That's plus 4 and minus 4, so it's all gone. So that's all we have left over. So that's the expression of height. Okay, now we're ready to integrate. It's 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi. The radius is just simply y, and the height is this right here. So minus y squared plus 3y. Okay, dy. Okay, we're integrating from 0 to where they intersect here. So actually, I need to do the intersection point. So see this x here? Let's replace the x with 3 minus y. So 3 minus y, replace the x with 3 minus y is equal to what we have on the right, 4 minus y minus 1 squared. Okay, so you get 4. Okay, so 4 minus y squared minus 2y plus 1. Alright, so you get 4 minus y squared plus 2y minus 1, 3 minus y. So these two add up to give you 3. So that'll cancel out with the 3 on the other side. Okay, plus y on the other side. Factor out a minus y. Okay, from there you get a y. This is a 3y, so you're going to get a minus 3. So we're intersecting at 0. Okay, that's 0, and this is 3. Okay, so we're integrating from 0 to 3. Okay, this is going to give us the volume. Alright, volume is equal to that. So factor out the 2 pi, 0 to 3. Let's multiply it in. Okay, 0 to 3. Actually, let's find the antiderivative of what we have inside now. Minus y to the power of 4 over 4. Okay, y to the power of 3. 3 divided by 3 just gives you 1. Okay, let's plug in 0 and 3. Alright, let's plug in 3 and you get minus 81 over 4. Right? And it's 27. Plug in 0, you'll just get 0. So you have 2 pi minus 81 plus 27 times by 4. 27 times by 4. Right? It's 108. So 108. That'll reduce to give you 2, so it's pi over 2, and this is exactly 27. So the answer is 27 pi over 2.